Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. For everybody that's come back, anybody that's new, thank you for stopping in. My name is Dan. I'm the host today. Hostess with the mostest. All right, I'm just gonna try something, but I don't know how it's gonna come out yet. So, watch and we'll see what we got. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is let's get this thing a little round here. I'll get a little spindle gouge. Get it up to about 900. On two wrists, feel the bevel, and lift it up. Man, she cut nice and pretty. What I want to do is put a tenon on this end. All right, let me grab my handy dandy tenon maker here. Let's see here. So I'm gonna have to cut off at least that much. That's just to level it out. So let's try to level it down some first, and then we'll cut the tenon. All right, let's pop over here and try to get a tenon started here. See, I want this side here gone. The top part, the bump. This is all gonna level out, and then to get the bump off here should be nice. All right, we gotta keep you in that area. I'll take you a little bit more down, but that's it. Just to get something to bite over here. Just so you know, I am waiting for something to come in today from Amazon. If and when it gets here, I'll be doing this process all over again. What I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to see if I can get it to the shape that I'm looking for, and that I'm able to get what I'm wanting. And then if I'm able to, then that'll let me know that the drilling and everything else that I'm gonna do is gonna be fine. But first, let's make sure I know what I'm not doing. Here, right, so. What I'm gonna basically try to do is I'm gonna try to make a Kandahar pipe. I've always kind of wondered if you can turn pipes on the lathe without having to do all that doggone sanding. So went online, and of course, trust the YouTube. YouTube's got everything out there. If it's there, it's there. Somebody's got it. So I found a little video on some different versions of this, but I want to try to do it as one whole piece. I don't want to have to join nothing together. I just want it as one nice piece. On wheel. Good time. Always tension. That's how we go. All right, want about an inch. Or actually I said, take that back. I want about a ½ inch. And it's a little bigger, so it's sanding and all, I'll drop it down to where I want it. So, let's see. Let's get it down there. So now I know to drill out first, but that gives the idea on what up. But gotta get a thicker one, bigger branch. This branch is too thin. Yeah, here we go. We got a couple here. That might do out pretty good. If I start doing something with them, they're cracking. Well, appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, that was just a rough run. I just want to see. All right, thank you all for showing. Do all the nice fancy stuff there, you know. Subscribe, share, like, make a comment. I know I got a lot of work to do on videoing and everything else, so it's all a learning process for me.